Hello. Welcome back, Pro Cutters. As many of you know, 2 weeks ago I crashed my Mavic Mini. It's actually been 2 weeks and 1 day since I crashed it. So I wanted to talk to you guys about DJI's repair program and how I feel about the way they handled and expedited the situation. Unfortunately, I bought my Mavic Mini through Best Buy, and they wanted $219 for their Geek Squad repair warranty. And so when I bought it, I did not get that. And I didn't know about the DJI refresh because, of course, Best Buy doesn't tell you about that. And I was new to drones, new to DJI, so I didn't know about any of that stuff. So unfortunately, I did not have the DJI refresh either. But immediately following the crash, I got on DJI's website, and it took me a little while to find the US phone number. Their global headquarters is in China. That number was right on the main page. It took a little bit of digging to get the USA number. They've got the United States headquarters is out in California, and so I called them and spoke with them, and they walked me through a couple things, let me know what they could do, and then I proceeded to go back onto their website, and I filed a repair order through their website. It was very easy to use. Everything functioned flawlessly, ran smoothly. There was no issues at all. You fill it out. They send you a packing slip. They cover the shipping to and from them. And so as soon as I got that, I boxed her up, ran over to Staples, dropped it off in the UPS bin. It was after 6 o'clock, so it didn't get picked up until Wednesday morning by UPS. So technically, the fact that today is Wednesday and I just got this back, it was a 2-week turnaround for them to get my unit repaired and send it back to me. Now, they charged me $204 for the repair. There was some extensive damage, but I believe they actually sent a new unit as opposed to the repair model, because I noticed on the packing slip for in the email for the tracking information that there was a different serial number on it. So I believe that I've just got a full replacement unit, not my repaired one. And what this allowed me to do, as soon as they sent me the shipping label that it was coming back to me, they sent me an email shortly after that offering me the DJI refresh. So yes, for $39, I added the DJI refresh, and so if I ever stuff this thing into the ground again or put it in another tree or anything like that, now I'm covered. So now the repair won't cost $204. It'd be a little bit cheaper. So without further ado, I didn't do an actual unboxing when I bought my Mavic Mini Fly More kit. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the repaired or replaced Mavic Mini and see what it looks like. And like I said, I could not be more satisfied with the speed that they processed everything and how they handled it. Super happy with that. And I'm going to go ahead and say I've got a complete brand new unit because it's got all the stickers on it. The damage that I had on the legs is no longer. The damaged housing no longer. I had damage under here. My gimbal was completely demolished. And so now I've got this cover, and I believe... no, I did send that cover back with them. Okay. But yeah, got a brand new Mavic Mini, and I am super happy. I cannot wait to get back in the air with this little bugger because, as you guys know, I love this thing. It is so fun to fly. and easy to fly, which is what caused me to get overconfident and put it into a tree and wreck it. But hopefully that doesn't happen again. Hopefully I can keep my self under control and not break it again. But if I do, I've got the DJI Refresh, and so it won't cost me $204 for the repair. And I know I'll get the same speedy service. Like I said, they really expedited this thing. I mean, to send it from Tennessee to California, for them to look at it and send it back to Tennessee after replacing, not repairing, in just 2 weeks' time is pretty cool, because you're talking, nearly coast to coast. I'm not quite on the coast, but close enough. I am East Coast considered still here in Tennessee. I'm in East Tennessee. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you on the next one.
Take off. Adding mode. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Happy to have you back, little buddy. This was Kristen's grandpa's favorite song. She just got this new sign for her she shed. Flying the Mini in the she shed.
Landing.